Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Play, pause and open the main menu now. Once there, go straight to Settings and choose Audio. This is where Narrator controls live. You do this because the narrator is tied to accessibility and audio channels, so changing it here affects all voices. Make sure to note your active profile. If you're in an accessibility preset, switching audio alone might not stop narration. Next, move to the specific narration toggle to change its state. Now, find the narration or voice guidance toggle inside audio or accessibility. It's usually labeled clearly. Flip the toggle to OFF and watch for the confirmation text or sound. This prevents future announcements. If that toggle is grayed out, you must enter accessibility settings and disable any voice guidance presets or text-to-speech features there. Once done, test by resuming gameplay for a short drive. You want to confirm ambient, finish by resuming the game and checking whether narration is gone. Drive or open menus that previously triggered voice lines. If the narrator persists, quit to the dashboard and restart the game. This forces settings to reload. Make sure the game is fully updated. Sometimes a patch fixes toggle bugs. As a key troubleshooting tip, if restarting fails, reset your audio profile to default or reinstall the latest update, because corrupted settings can lock narration on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.